Well, come to life, dreams. Please subscribe our channel and like. Avocado, scientifically known as Persea americana, is a nutrient-dense fruit. Renowned for its numerous health benefits supported by extensive research. Rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, avocados are a great source of oleic acid, which is beneficial for heart health by reducing LDL cholesterol levels and lowering the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Moreover, avocados are packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin C, potassium, and folate. These nutrients play vital roles in promoting overall well-being. For instance, vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals and contributing to skin health and anti-aging benefits. Research also suggests that avocados may have anti-inflammatory properties due to their high content of phytochemicals like carotenoids, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. Additionally, avocados contain fiber, which supports digestive health, promotes satiety, and aids in weight management. Furthermore, studies have highlighted the potential health benefits of avocados in managing blood sugar levels, improving insulin sensitivity, and reducing the risk of metabolic syndrome. The combination of healthy fats, fiber, and low carbohydrate content in avocados makes them a valuable addition to a balanced diet, especially for individuals with diabetes or those aiming to maintain stable blood glucose levels. Incorporating avocados into meals can be versatile, whether mashed for guacamole, sliced in salads, or used as a creamy topping for toast or sandwiches. Overall, the nutritional composition and research-backed health benefits of avocados make them a recommended fruit for promoting overall health and well-being. Eat one avocado daily for 30 days. Many benefits your health. Number 1. Heart health. Avocados are a heart-healthy food due to their richness in monounsaturated fats, specifically oleic acid. These healthy fats can help lower levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, while increasing good cholesterol, HDL, thus reducing the risk of heart disease. Additionally, avocados are a good source of potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Their high content of antioxidants like vitamin E also contributes to heart health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the cardiovascular system. Including avocados in a balanced diet can be beneficial for overall heart health, supporting cholesterol management and blood pressure regulation. However, it's important to consume them in moderation as part of a well-rounded diet to maximize their heart protective benefits. Number 2. Weight management. Avocados, despite being high in calories, can actually promote weight loss and satiety. This seemingly contradictory effect is due to several factors. First, avocados are rich in fiber, with approximately 10 grams of fiber in a medium-sized fruit. Fiber aids in digestion and helps regulate bowel movements, contributing to a feeling of fullness and reducing overeating. Moreover, avocados contain healthy monounsaturated fats, which have been linked to increased satiety and reduced appetite. These fats are also beneficial for heart health and can help lower bad cholesterol levels, LDL, further supporting overall well-being. Additionally, the combination of fiber and healthy fats in avocados can stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes that often lead to cravings for unhealthy foods. By promoting a steady release of energy, avocados contribute to a more balanced and sustainable approach to weight management. It's important to note that while avocados can be a valuable addition to a weight loss plan, moderation is key due to their calorie density. Incorporating them as part of a well-rounded diet alongside other nutritious foods can help harness their benefits for weight management effectively. Number 4. Digestive health. Avocados are not only renowned for their heart-healthy fats, but also for their contribution to digestive health. Packed with fiber, avocados play a crucial role in promoting regular bowel movements and supporting a healthy digestive system. Fiber adds bulk to stool, making it easier to pass through the digestive tract and preventing constipation. Moreover, the fiber in avocados acts as a prebiotic, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria. These friendly bacteria help maintain a balanced gut microbiome, which is linked to overall digestive wellness and immune function. Including avocados in your diet can thus contribute to better digestion, improved nutrient absorption, and a happier gut environment. Number 5. Skin health. Avocado oil is highly valued in skincare due to its numerous benefits for skin health. It is rich in fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants, making it a popular ingredient in moisturizers, serums, and other skincare products. One of the key benefits of avocado oil is its moisturizing properties. It deeply hydrates the skin, helping to combat dryness and flakiness, especially in areas prone to roughness like elbows and knees. This moisture retention also promotes skin elasticity, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Additionally, avocado oil is known for its ability to nourish and rejuvenate the skin. Its antioxidants, such as vitamins E and C, help to protect the skin from environmental damage and free radicals, which can contribute to premature aging. Regular use of avocado oil can result in a more radiant, youthful complexion. Overall, avocado oil is a versatile and beneficial ingredient for promoting skin health, providing hydration, improving elasticity, and enhancing the overall appearance of the skin. Number 6. Anti-inflammatory effects. Avocados contain various compounds, including phytonutrients and antioxidants, that contribute to their anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds, such as polyphenols and carotenoids, help reduce inflammation in the body by inhibiting inflammatory pathways and reducing oxidative stress. One key antioxidant found in avocados is vitamin E, which has been linked to lower levels of inflammatory markers. By reducing inflammation, avocados may help lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Chronic inflammation is often associated with these conditions, and incorporating anti-inflammatory foods like avocados into the diet can be beneficial for overall health. Including avocados in a balanced diet can provide these anti-inflammatory benefits, while also offering other essential nutrients like healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. This makes avocados a valuable addition to a health-conscious diet aimed at reducing inflammation and promoting overall well-being. Number 7. Brain health. Avocados are a valuable food for brain health due to their nutrient content. They are a good source of folate, a B vitamin that plays a crucial role in brain function and mood regulation. Folate helps in the production of neurotransmitters that are essential for communication between brain cells, thus supporting cognitive processes and emotional well-being. Moreover, avocados are rich in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats like oleic acid. These fats are beneficial for brain health as they support cell membranes and promote efficient nerve signaling. Adequate intake of healthy fats is associated with improved cognitive function, memory, and overall brain performance. Incorporating avocados into your diet can contribute to maintaining optimal brain health and function. Whether enjoyed as a spread, added to salads, or blended into smoothies, avocados offer a delicious and nutritious way to support cognitive function and mood regulation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and like.